Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss question number 6 and question number 7 of section B. So we are going to discuss section B of first year paper for the current second year batch. First year section B we are going to discuss today. So section B has two passages, two comprehension passages, 4 plus 4. Each one carries 4 marks, 8 marks. One passage will be from your non-detailed short stories and one will be general passage. Okay. So non-detailed short stories means from the Umbrella Man, the medal and the antidote. From these three lessons, one will be coming. One passage will be coming from the Umbrella Man, the medal and the antidote. Okay. So one passage will be coming definitely, and the next one will be general passage. So for this non-detailed part, how much land does a man need? That is deleted. Don't study the lesson. So second non-detailed story, and last story, service of love, that is also deleted. Okay, these two they are deleted already. So from these lessons, two lessons, no passages, nothing. The remaining lessons, from the remaining lessons, one passage will be coming, and the next one will be general passage. So in your textbook, page number 254 onwards, from 254 onwards, some passages are given, comprehension passages are given. Most of the passages, so they come under the category of question number 7, general passages. Most of the passages, they deal with Telangana fighters, Telangana writers and Telangana culture. Telangana fighters, writers and culture. So look at the first one. It is about Komaram Bhim. Okay, Telangana fighter. Second one, Kaloji Narayan Rao. Okay, Telangana writer. Next one, Chakali Ailamma, Telangana fighter. Next one is number 4. Fourth passage is P.V. Narasimha Rao. So former Prime Minister, okay, of India, and he's also from Telangana state, versatile genius. Next, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, okay, so missile man of India, Vishwaguru, okay, and next one is Professor Kottapalli Jayashankar, so the mentor of KCR, the guru of KCR. And next passage is seventh passage. Next one is also about Telangana culture. So Vedire Ramachandra Reddy, so who donated land for Sarvodaya movement of Vinoba Bhave. He is from Bhudan Pochampalli. Okay, so Telangana. Next, Mrs. Karra Shashika Madhav Reddy, so great industrialist from our Telangana state. Okay. Next one is ninth one, Malavat Purna and Anand. So two youngest children, so to climb Mount Everest. So pride of Telangana state. Next, last one is Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary. So worth watching place in Sangareddy district. So it is a tourism spot. So from these 10, one passage will be coming. So each passage has 6 questions. Out of 6, any 4 we have to answer. But you write all the 6. You attempt all the 6. We should be on safe side. We should be on safe side. Okay, so attempt all the 6 answers. Just number, answer. Briefly you have to write. Don't write question, only answer. That also briefly. And one will be yes or no type, true or false type. And one will be multiple choice. Okay, so ABC, which one is the right statement from the following? ABC, multiple choice. And some 1 or 2 questions may be on vocabulary, antonym, synonym, meaning, and 1 or 2 questions may be on grammar also. What part of speech is the word, this particular word, okay, like that. Okay, so where is the adverb, which is the adjective, like that. So one will be on parts of speech also. So very easily we can score. So for 8 out of 8 here, very easily we can score. It helps us in scoring. Okay, section B is very useful to every student, for both weak student as well as meritorious student. Section B is very useful. Okay, so these passages you must be thorough with. I hope that this video is helpful to you. Okay, we meet again very soon with another interesting topic. I request all of you to share my videos with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.